So this is going to be a quick unboxing of the OnePlus 7 Pro. This is the company's latest flagship smartphone. It's powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 processor with up to 12 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of storage. It has a 6.67-inch Fluid AMOLED display. It comes with a 90 Hz refresh rate, which is higher than what you'll find on most smartphones, unless you have like the Razer phone or the Asus ROG phone, which are about like 120 Hz. You have a 4,000 milliamp hour battery, in-display fingerprint sensor, just like on the OnePlus 6T. You get the company's Warp Charge, which gets you about 50% battery life in about 30 minutes. So this right here is the media kit. So this won't be what consumers will be getting when they buy the OnePlus 7 Pro. So as you can see, go beyond speed. Here you have some info, like this is the reviewer's guide for the OnePlus 7 Pro. Tells you about all the features of the device. So this box here is what, if you buy the OnePlus 7 Pro, this is what you would get, and all the accessories and whatnot. This media kit will come with the OnePlus Bullet Wireless 2, which are available separately. They charge over USB-C. You get quick pairing. Comes with Qualcomm aptX HD, nose balance, armature technology, and that type of stuff. These retail for around $149 Canadian or 99 US. This is OnePlus's Warp Charge car charger, so you can get the same kind of speeds as you would with the included Warp Charger. Also included was some cases. One is like their sandstone kind of finish. The other is more of like a silicone type of case, but it has like a kind of soft touch, like felt kind of interior, so that makes it, that kind of protects the device. So now we dig into the phone. So as you can see here, it says 7, it says OnePlus 7 Pro. This one is the Nebula Blue version with 12 gigs of RAM, 256 gigs of storage. This retails for around $1,119 Canadian. You see here Dolby Atmos speakers and whatnot. So let's dig inside the box. As you can see here, here's where your manuals and stuff goes. You also get included a clear case, so you can keep your device protected. Here's the device itself. As you can see, it comes in that nice kind of nebula blue finish, which is like slightly mirrored and whatnot. Right here is where you would find the pop-up selfie camera, which can be used for face unlock and whatnot. Right here is the alert slider, which you can change to vibrate, ring, and silent. Volume buttons here. The new triple camera lens setup. So you get one 48 megapixel sensor, 8 megapixel telephoto, and a 16 megapixel ultra wide lens. The cameras can also shoot 4K video at up to 60 FPS. You can also do 1080p. You can also do slow motion video. You have USB-C. That's a SIM ejector tool, speaker grill. As I said, there's the in-display fingerprint sensor. So yeah, that's the device. Here's the Warp Charger. As you can see, it has a USB-A port. And then you have here's the USB-C to Type A cable, which is used in the Warp Charger. As you can see, it has a OnePlus signature uh, red color scheme. Anyway, so that's been a quick unboxing of the OnePlus 7 Pro. It's available now. It starts at 999 Canadian, and it goes all the way up to $1,119 Canadian. It's available from OnePlus's website. As I said, yeah, that's been a quick unboxing of the OnePlus 7 Pro.